Picture this, a world where AI doesn't just exist, it anticipates. Where your doctor uses AI to detect cancer before symptoms appear, your car drives you safely through traffic, and your learning path is perfectly customized to your brain. This isn't a distant sci-fi fantasy. By 2030, artificial intelligence will reshape nearly every aspect of our lives. From quantum computing to space exploration, we're counting down 10 breakthroughs in AI that will change the world by 2030. These aren't just technological upgrades. They're seismic shifts in how we live, work, heal, learn, and even imagine the future. Let's kick things off with an innovation redefining AI's very foundation. Quantum AI uses qubits, which can represent multiple states simultaneously, far beyond the binary world of classic computing. By 2030, quantum-enhanced AI will solve problems once deemed unsolvable, such as real-time climate modeling, protein folding, and global logistics optimization. Companies like Google, IBM, and D-Wave are pushing the boundaries, making science fiction-level breakthroughs feel suddenly within reach. This fusion of quantum mechanics and machine intelligence could mark one of humanity's biggest leaps forward. Next, AI that mimics our minds. Neuromorphic chips replicate how our brains function, using artificial neurons to mimic biological ones. These chips allow machines to learn and adapt in real time, using far less energy. By 2030, these brain-inspired systems will power everything from autonomous drones to your home's smart thermostat, learning, predicting, and evolving. Intel's low-IHI chips already show promise, combining energy efficiency with lightning-fast learning, bringing AI closer to true human-level cognition. Now, AI's revolutionizing healthcare. Healthcare will never be the same. AI will analyze massive amounts of medical data, from DNA sequences to lifestyle patterns, to craft personalized treatment plans. DeepMind's protein folding success is just the beginning. By 2030, doctors will use AI to predict a disease before it strikes and prescribe treatments tailor-made for your biology. That means faster diagnosis, more effective treatments, and fewer side effects. In short, medicine made for you. Next, imagine a tutor who never gets tired, adapts instantly to your learning style, and helps you master anything, from calculus to coding to classical guitar. By 2030, AI-powered education platforms will deliver exactly that. Tools like Khan Academy are already experimenting with AI tutors. In the future, AI will democratize education, offering personalized, world-class instruction to anyone with an internet connection. The global learning gap, AI just might close it. Next, AI is changing how we move. Self-driving cars are just the beginning. By 2030, AI-powered vehicle networks will communicate with each other, traffic signals, and city infrastructure to reduce accidents, eliminate gridlock, and make commutes a breeze. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and NVIDIA are leading the charge. The result? Smarter, safer cities where you can reclaim hours of your life once lost to traffic. From roads to factories, AI is redefining production. Factories of the future will be run by AI that predicts breakdowns before they happen and continuously optimizes for speed, sustainability, and safety. Siemens and Bosch are already integrating AI to create hyper-efficient production lines. By 2030, we'll see fully autonomous manufacturing plants, producing everything from smartphones to solar panels, faster, cheaper, and greener than ever before. AI is also unleashing creativity. AI isn't just logical, it's becoming artistic. From painting masterpieces to composing symphonies, generative AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Sora are already reshaping how we express ourselves. By 2030, expect AI to co-write scripts, generate immersive virtual worlds, and even collaborate with musicians and filmmakers. Sure, it sparks debates about originality, but it also empowers anyone to become a creator. AI's creativity also feeds the world. Feeding the planet without destroying it, AI's got a plan. By 2030, AI will help farmers grow more food with fewer resources. Smart sensors, autonomous tractors, and predictive models will monitor soil health, prevent crop disease, and optimize irrigation. Companies like John Deere are turning farms into intelligent ecosystems, maximizing yields while minimizing environmental harm. AI also protects our digital world. As our digital lives grow, so do the threats. By 2030, AI will be our strongest shield, detecting and neutralizing cyber attacks in real time. Tools like Darktrace already use machine learning to monitor network behavior and detect anomalies. In the future, self-healing systems will respond to threats automatically, adapting faster than hackers can strike. Finally, AI is exploring the stars. AI is already exploring Mars, and by 2030, it'll help us reach farther than ever. NASA's autonomous rovers and AI-driven telescopes will search for life on other planets, analyze alien atmospheres, and chart safe paths for human missions. AI will serve as the co-pilot of interstellar exploration, guiding us through the final frontier and maybe, just maybe, finding proof we're not alone. These 10 breakthroughs aren't just cool, they're world-changing. From your health to your commute to your creativity, AI will be a constant partner by 2030. But as we race into this future, the real question isn't just what can AI do, it's how wisely will we use it. If you loved this countdown of tomorrow's tech, hit that like button, subscribe to Mega Fact Attack for more mind-blowing facts every week, and drop a comment. Which AI breakthrough are you most excited or nervous about? Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and remember, the future isn't waiting, it's already being coded.